Hey everyone, in this video we're doing a full camera comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S26. All the footage you're seeing is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second, and today we're testing overall camera performance, video quality, ultra-wide shots, zoom capability, stabilization, daylight photos, and low-light performance. Let's see which Galaxy smartphone truly delivers the best camera experience. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a powerful quad camera setup, 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom, 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. This is easily the most advanced setup among the three. With both 3x and 5x optical zoom lenses, the S26 Ultra offers incredible flexibility. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or distant subjects, this phone handles everything with confidence. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus comes with a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main camera, 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. In daylight, the 50 megapixel main camera captures sharp and detailed photos with pleasing colors. The 3x telephoto lens works well for portraits and medium-range zoom shots. The Samsung Galaxy S26 also features the same triple camera setup as the Plus model. The main camera performs very well in good lighting, producing clear and vibrant images. The 3x telephoto is useful, but without a periscope lens, it doesn't offer the same long-distance flexibility as the Ultra. All three phones perform well, but the S26 Ultra captures the most detail with better dynamic range and richer texture reproduction. The S26 Ultra once again shows superior performance with brighter images, cleaner shadows, and better noise control. That's it for today's camera comparison between these three Galaxy smartphones. Let me know in the comments which one impressed you the most. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed tech comparisons.